thought I saw somebody. Oh, this is awkward. God dang, what the fuck is that? Stop! Hey! Huh? Dude, stop at the light! What's going on? That is a chainsaw. No fucking way! Shit! Oh, fuck! Oh, shit. Oh, he cut himself. Oh, shit, look at that. Oh, I freaking cut himself. Oh, shit. Oh, shit! Fuck, what the fuck is going on? This is going to be a dark and a sketchy video today. Anyway, here we go. Yeah, buddy. Sorry, neighbors. Really sorry for this, but... oh, it has to be done. It has to be done. 1290 Super Adventure R. We're going to do some midnight single tracks. It is Saturday night. I have nothing better to do than to do midnight single tracks. Anyway, let's continue. Oh, always gotta be careful here with the freaking robots. Smokey 1, Smokey 2. Anyway, let's go. Midnight forest runs are the things that I love the most. There's no people anywhere. I can slip and slide. Oh, I still have to put my ABS traction control into off-road. We got some rocky roads here. Oh yeah, I still have to turn my ABS in off-road because now it is totally not braking. You see that? This is full on the brakes. It does not stop. So if you go off-road, always put your brakes into off-road mode. Oh yeah. Something like red lights in a dark forest. That is absolutely scary. Crazy signs here. There's even people walking here. This is scary as fuck. This is already getting scary and it didn't even start yet. Now, whew, there is like a lot of leaves here and it is absolutely slippery. Like, this is full slippery. It's like just taking leaves. But god dang it, I love these single tracks. Seriously hope we do not meet up with a lot of skeletons. Oh, I thought I saw somebody. Oh, this is awkward. God dang, what the fuck is that? What the fuck is that? Dude, what the fuck? Dude, stop shining your light, you stupid idiot. I can't see. What the fuck? Dude. What the stop. Hey. Huh? Wait, what the hell was that? Dude, this is like so awkward. Okay. What the hell was that? God damn, dude, stop. I can't see. Put up. God dang it. I can't see right. Dude, stop at the light. What's going on? God dang it. Dude, your light is so bright. I can't see shit. What the hell is that? Hello? Is that a chainsaw? No. No fucking way. No way. I'm getting the fuck out of here. Oh shit. Fuck. What the fuck is this? Oh shit. Oh fuck. Oh shit. Oh shit, fuck. Ah. What the fuck was that? Oh shit. Shit. Fuck. Oh fuck. Oh shit. Dude, this... Bro, what the fuck? Oh shit, no! He's using the shit. Oh shit. Oh, he cut himself. He was trying to chase my bike. No shit. No fucking way. He's starting my fucking bike. No fucking way. Shh. Fuck. Fuck. He's stealing my bike. Oh shit. Oh, I can't see shit here. Fuck. Oh shit. This is scary shit. This is not a normal weekend. How the hell can he take my bike? Oh man, this is bad. Oh, I dropped it. He dropped it. He's using his light again. Oh shit. Oh, he's going away. What the fuck? He's going over there. My bike is there and he's gone. Oh fuck. Oh, I hurt my knee. Oh, my knee's bad. Oh shit. Oh, my phone is dead. I can't do shit. Oh, found his chainsaw. Oh shit, look at that. Oh, I freaking cut himself. He fucking got himself. Oh shit. Oh, I get it. Fuck. Oh, I got twigs in my eyes. Oh, that hurt like a motherfucker. Oh, no fucking way. He could probably cut himself really bad. Oh, fuck. Bro, this is scary shit. Alright, I know this is freaking Halloween night, but this is not fun whatsoever. Holy fuck, what the fuck is going on? Dude, what the fuck happened with my bike? What the fuck happened? Oh shit. Oh, look at that. Look at the screen. Oh, he actually went on my screen with a chainsaw. Absolutely destroyed my KTM. Fuck's sake. Oh, fuck. What was that? Was he there? Bro, no fucking way. I'm getting the fuck. I can't get it up. This is not fun whatsoever. Fuck this shit. Oh, my mirror is like shitloads of blood on this. I'm tired as hell. Oh man, I gotta get the hell home. And God, what's that? Another light? Oh man, there's like, what the fuck is that? It's like a light over there. What the fuck? There's a car over there. I see somebody. This is weird. Oh, I must have dropped this light here. That's a police van. That's police. Police! That must be a police van. Can't be something else. Oh shit! Fuck, what the fuck is going on? Oh shit. Oh fuck. Oh fuck, I gotta go. Oh shit. Fuck. I'm getting. I have another. Oh shit, I gotta get the fuck home. Oh shit. This is bad. This is bad. Oh, this is one of the worst motovlogs I ever made in my life. Oh shit. Don't crash, don't crash. Oh, there's so much blood on my bike. Oh, get home fast. Call the police. Oh shit, I gotta check out my bike first. I'm still in shock. I'm not really sure what happened, but I'm pretty sure this guy actually tried to kill me. There's like blood on my screen everywhere. There's even blood on my hands. What the? Oh shit. Oh. Oh fuck. I gotta turn on the light. Seriously, I have no idea what was going on in that forest, but that's probably the worst encounter I've had. I have to call police first. Shit. Holy fuck. Holy fuck, look at that. This is bad. This is bad. He went in there with the chainsaw. Look at that. Holy shit. Oh man, this is bad. I gotta call the police. Holy shit. So I gotta go in fast. Have to call the police. Close the gate. This is like probably the most weirdest thing. Oh shit, no! God!